Yenyabriko! Yenyabriko! Yo! Yenyabriko! India for Abesi warehouse and now Oma Daneno pharmaceutical company. Yenyabriko! Yenyabriko! Yo! Yenyabriko! India for Abesi warehouse and now Oma Daneno pharmaceutical company. And Oma 2 wall Oma 2 got another tititititititinu. Oma see got no man isota. Isonu nyakwanko. Isota nyakwanko. Na koya demu. Na koya fie. Ukehanwa. Ya sisa isosa. Kitama isosa tie. Ya sisa isosa. Ya bra. Ya strabai. Somebody yai. Strabai. Somebody yai. Ya strabai. Ya strabai. Somebody yai. Ya banacho. Ya bro. Ya bro. Ya strap. Ya strap. Ahaya Tema West. Ahaya Tema West. Kana wa jekojo. Kana wu. Tema West. They were great chancellor. They were great chancellor. They were great chancellor. Kana wu great chancellor. Ahana yawa. Kuti yawa ha. Iso ayi yawa dem. Omo be si gotanu. Omo si warehouse. Omo si gotanu. My son is gotanu. Ayama. Yes, Lamo. Yes, Lamo. Yes, Lamo. Yes, Lamo. Yes, Lamo. Yes, Lamo. I see you. You see you. Rabajiyao. Na Indian Fono. Our best company. Elita company. Elita company. Our best night. I broke you. So far. My Nyakwa Uncle. It's only Nyakwa Uncle. Nyakwa. It's only Nyakwa Uncle. It's only Nyakwa Uncle. Our broke you so far. Our broke you so far. Our broke you so far. And so we have 2000. 1992. And then it's on far. It's on to be for and not yet. Indian Fono. Almost to find. Almost got an answer to answer. It's so fine. Now to Indian Fono. Oh my Adamat. Oh my Adamat. Oh my suit. Oh my Adamat. That's the NDC about somewhere wire. That's the NDC about somewhere wire. And the NDC about somewhere wire.
Conservative, neocons. On one way, develop an idea of realism where America and the West must control the world at all costs. Now, one topmost diplomat, Kissinger, or develop a model be the more strategic containment that Russia and Kofibia, we can't control them the way you control the rest of the world. So we should rather contain Russia until they disintegrate into fragmentation. It worked for them successfully. Only the former Soviet Union no until Putin or should be a president there, or Russia there, they will come together. But Russia is a superpower. And this neocons will develop another strategy to topple Russia and make it like any other European state so that America can control. And now, what did Poland, the monk coffee in our catch on day, as part of the NATO treaty and to ensure that there's in international relations, what this principle of realism that all superpowers should not have other countries interfering into their security affairs. And therefore, it is an abomination for you to get close to them. That is why the first time Russia started or cobbled arms in Cuba, America had to intervene quickly. Won't say Ukraine yet on the Cold War on the bed. So they themselves, they know that you can't get close to each other. And they are using a lot of principle, paranoia or solipsism to deal with that. What more kind now you get close to them so that you compromise their security. Into over the years, America and the NATO kept going close to Russia, and Russia kept warning them, don't come, don't come, don't come. The final one was Ukraine. And Ukraine, no, Poroshenko na oye pro-Russian, no, they toppled him and put in Zelensky. And Russia catcher one day, we won't sit down for that state to also become an European ally. In that case, we will even destroy the state before it becomes one of the states of Europe. So that is the fight. Now, idea wa benye there. Instead that France, over WCC Africans no, over bullying them because they have about 16 colonies were exploited one day and night. Anna Macron, wakwa jijinano, was a corner all Kodo Russia because in Europe, the topmost countries are working security and accoutrement to fight in Britain and France. Na Macron ekunu ye do look for mpe no de na na akotutum ekunu ye do look for no de na na akotutum into ono Russia for abona to ho say abona to de abade na ye be ye de hurt more so try mo wa ye ku no pe quickly na Russia from one on all the strategies to defend themselves, and they are providing security for them. And the way what they are doing in such a way that minerals in France or extract from these African countries, they can't have access to it, so that they collapse the economy of France. It is because why am I Trump Russia?
One this before na mama ya mo so mba me balagan no. Over this in no ho nchen me chia.
So me come asem do.
Yo.
One mama, the man yaman no one mama down Russia is fighting for survival.
Madam Linda, me also why.
Yes, dear. One this before na my man said. Mo be kuma wale na yesa.
Obi kasa Marcus now.
Me kasa nyi why.
Mr. Marcus church ya say me
yeah, so I just want us to have a holistic knowledge of what is happening. Inyima, because of asemna wasting intino. Minerals na uranium na wadi bombs no. Or Niger. In fact, in the world, you have Kazakhstan, Canada, Niger, Burkina Wakakra, na Mali. Into Russia, gidigidira waka tare da mun kofun we chire or protect to also have access to those minerals whilst they black out Europeans. Into nyatari na wabaya jinkwa bi oyankwasha samana nwara brofunu we kwadima Russia wada no wonde de se ninu anya dina ada wode ye bibifunu with the same thing what be Sadamedia, let me form alliances with these people and protect them so that we can black out the Europeans.
Yeah, brofunu jawrof Macron de waye no.
It's a gun and wadwene no on them level now. Look, let me tell you, Assad, Middle East, Assad no full protection from Russia.